Hey, check this out. Here's a fresh first look at the newly launched Wlkata OpenCV Advanced Vision Suite. In this preview, we're giving you a quick look through a few short demo clips. It's a turnkey robot vision learning platform with an NVIDIA Jetson built right into the base. The software environment is already preset and ready to use, so students don't need to set up a separate PC from scratch. You can connect a keyboard and mouse directly, and the system also comes with a screen, making it simple to open and learn. Everything is included for classroom-ready learning: demo videos, textbook materials, sample code, and complete learning resources. So teachers and students can simply open the system, power it up, and jump straight into hands-on learning. More detailed videos are on the way soon. Stay tuned with Wlkata Robotics.